Hi all! In this video, I'm sharing content to help you to get more freedom using the power of internet and high affiliate programs to make money online. I will share 3 important points with you if you ever think of selling high-ticket affiliate programs. If you want to build a sustainable, long-term business, it's very important that you pay attention to these points. First, I will talk about the quality of the product, as it's very important. If you're selling junk, you will get nowhere. Secondly, commissions and how are they paid out. And lastly, I will talk about the sales page of the product and how are you going to market it. I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com, where I provide useful information to help you create and grow your online business. For the new people here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell not to miss out on my next videos, as I'm making a series of videos related to high-ticket affiliate programs that can bring you a good income online. It's very important that you understand how online marketing works. I've been in this business for quite a few years and I learned a lot with all my mistakes and the shiny object syndrome that I had. That's why I want to help you not to make the same mistakes I did. So let's check it out. There is a misconception about affiliate marketing and how to add value to the marketplace. Most people think you get a product, affiliate link, and you just send this out to everyone you know and you will become successful. Definitely not. This is not how affiliate marketing works. Let me tell you how affiliate marketing works. The more valuable you are to the marketplace, the more income the marketplace will give you. There are specific key skills that you need to become good at to be a good affiliate marketer. You need to bring real value to the marketplace to see you as a valuable person. The things will become good for you when you have all your skills in place and you understand how affiliate marketing really works. It's all about your customers and what they want. Before I talk about the programs, I want to dig a little deeper into the 3 points I mentioned to you in the beginning of the video. Let's talk about the quality of the product. High tickets is anything from $500 to $2,000, some even $5,000 per product. This is a lot of money to pay for a product. Is this product worth the money? Did you see the training yourself? Did you go through the training? Will you buy this product if you're in the buyer's shoes? Always sell a product that is good quality and that you would be proud of to promote. If you did not use the product, do the research, because you must be the product of the product, or you must know that it is a good product if you're going to promote it. There's a lot of fly-by-night gurus, make a lot of money and disappear in a month or 2. If this is what you're thinking of doing, well, then this video will not be for you, as I'm very proud of my type of products and my education that I share with my audience and my followers. I'm talking to affiliate marketers who want to be a legacy on the internet and not just a short-term business. The other thing about the product before we move on to commissions, is the product transformational? Will it make a change in somebody's life? The product have a step-by-step strategy, and if the buyer do the work and take action, will they be successful? Remember, there will always be roadblocks, but the training should help the affiliate person to overcome these problems. So I try to sell transformational products that can change a person's life and future. Most people just buy programs and do not even open them. One of my values also is, will I sell this to my family? If not, then I will not sell the product to any of my customers. If I do not want to share this with people close to me, why will I sell it to my audience? This means this is the wrong product I'm promoting. As an affiliate marketer, you want to sell good stuff to your audience. You definitely do not want to build a bad reputation online with the products you promote. Let's look at commission payout. How much does it actually pay? If the commission pays out very low, then you will not make money. I do not sell any products from Amazon as their rates are so low, and currently they also cut it further on their commissions. If I make $5 on a product, how long will it take me to make $5,000? This is quite a lot of sales, which I do not want to do. This is why I do not sell any products from Amazon. Any product worthwhile should have a commission rate of at least 20 to 50% payout. And this makes it worthwhile. I do not look at the money only. If I'm happy with the quality and the product and the education, I would look at the rest of the value of the affiliate program. Let's look at the sales funnel. As the price of the program you're selling or the product is a high-ticket affiliate marketing program, then there should be a good sales funnel going with the program. And mostly, these type of high-ticket programs are sold via webinars. So, does the sales funnel they give you convert? What is the sales process for this product? In order to sell high-ticket programs, you must sell it through a longer form of process. The sales process must have a complementary upgrade. You need to look for these type of things before you even think of selling high-ticket programs. How are you going to promote this? You cannot just send people straight to the sales page. You will not sell any product. This is the quickest way to go broke. You must have an introduction to the audience, and they know they can trust you. Then they will join a webinar or whatever you ask them to do, as they are trusting you and they know you will not sell anything that's not worth their money. High-ticket product that we are looking at is the 4%, and this is by BIC. I've already 2 years ago signed up for this product. As I said before, if you want to sell high-ticket products or be part of a high-ticket product, you must give more value than what the customer is paying for. Now, if you look at this product, this is definitely a product with a lot of value. And since I've been part of that, they have already changed a lot. So this is Vic Striehaus. He is over-delivering, and his students are enrolling in all his products, and they're happy. I'm also one of his students, and I'm also part of Vic's 4%. This is a great product. And the ticket price at the moment for this product, if you sign up, is $9.97. So it's quite a high price. And as affiliate marketer, you will get 30 to 40% of anybody who signs up. So if you can sell 10 of these, you will at least get about $4,000. So let's look at the second product. The next product I'm going to discuss is Taking Action Online by Philip Boroman, who is currently my mentor. I'm so happy that I stumbled across Philip about 6 to 8 months ago, and I signed up for his products. This is really a good product with excellent education. Philip is overproducing and giving more value than I ever experienced before. As you can see, we have step-by-step training programs. There's about 200 training programs if you sign up for this. Philip gives a 12-step free training program for anybody who wants to sign up for his 12-step free training. We also have the Simple Traffic Blueprint strategy. This is the same strategy that Philip used to build his own business, and he's sharing this with his students. This is Philip Boroman, and this is the Simple Traffic Blueprint. As you can see, Philip is giving value. Then we also have the Advanced Traffic Blueprint, is one of the higher tickets that Philip is selling, and his students can sign up for $500, and they have a 30-day training. So as you can see, this is my mentor currently, and I'm very happy to be part of this group. This is also a high ticket, and everybody signing up for the Advanced Traffic Blueprint have a 30-day training with Philip that will make them faster progressing. I hope you find this helpful, as I don't want to include any more high affiliate ticket programs in this video, as I don't want to make it too long. If you want to learn how to fill your empty pockets with dollars, please wait for my next video. I will include more high affiliate ticket programs and teach you how to use them effectively to fill those empty pockets. I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell not to miss out on my next video that shows you how to sell high-ticket affiliate programs and make money and fill your empty pockets. I left a link below. If you want to follow my proven strategy with Philip Boroman, sign up and check it out for yourself. There's a 12-step free training program that Philip gives to all of you signing up now. Thank you for watching. See you next time on the other side of the screen.